Let comment in the chat if you're watching. For some reason, I'm not able to that. That's why I'm here. I got one like, so maybe someone is watching at least. So this is day three. In last 2 or 3 days, it is just me. Today also, I think it will be just me. So I'll take a look at this chat. For some reason, my chat is not working on the stream. So if someone has joined today with me, feel free to take a look and uh, suggest you to code and affect voice is there. Okay. 2 minutes intro for those who are new to me. This is my bento. This is going to expire, I think. I'll have to create a new link, but yeah, this is the bento, right? And this is the main channel where you can learn more about me. Feel free to go through it and feel free to ask me if you have any doubts. With that, not wasting much time, we'll move to. So we were at page 3. Now we are moving to page. So to become guardian, we would actually need to this too. So guardian will not be is not possible by just reaching 2000. We'll have to reach 2000, so 100. Right. Let's go to page 4. Hmm. Mhm. Why I'm targeting guardian is because I'm already a knight. I already know how knight is possible, but guardian is something that is out of the reach as of now. That's why I put guardian here. Mhm. A tannery. Yeah, should that should watering plant is why won't be so that as it is day 3 then would be picking up problems from Okay. So you want to plant plants in your garden with a watering can. The plants are arranged in a row from left to right where ith plant is located at x of I and there is a river at x is equal to I minus. Okay. Start from 0, 1, 10. River at z minus 1. Each plant need you will water the plants in a following way. Water plant do not have water. You cannot refill the watering. You cannot fill the watering can early. Oh, watering can is the one. At minus 1. It's very basic loop problem, I think. Right, and then minus 1. 3. Right. So we'll go to this and make this 0. Opacity is 5, so you still and make this also. So you have taken two steps, and then so you now only have one. So you are going to you have to go back. So 2 minus, so this will be 1, 2, and 3, and all the way back to this, right? So this will be 6 steps. 2 steps plus 6 steps. And then you're gonna fill this, and then you still have 2 left. So 3 minus 1, 4, 8 steps. Uh, no, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 8 steps. Becomes 14. Step, second step in 7, 2 steps you have filled. Steps. Okay, so you don't go to the next one. They are saying that. You just decide from there only. So this would be 4 then. So you have to plus 3. We're here only. 3 plus 4. That makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. So then how much water is in the can? Now if plants.I is less than 10, right? One step it would all. If it is hidden, so that means that you will decide from a previous capacity and whether it is possible. Yeah, that's possible. So then, so last was I minus 1. So you have to go back from there till last minus 1, right? Because you won't come here. So you would come from there only, right? Uh, so basically, I minus 1, I minus 1, that becomes I plus 1. Since you won't come there, so that becomes I only, right? And then plus you have to take two moves because you have I, so I think, because when you are here and then you come here, basically, the ones we are saying is that we don't need to come here. You'll be here only. I is 2, so I moves. That makes sense. Second time we are saying that when we come back, we will need more than I moves, 3 moves. 1, 2, 3. I plus 3, that also makes sense. And then can will be move, move to 1, 2. Right? Oh, count. Because you took a step. So come back. This. Come back. So here, equal to I saw some comments, but I'm not sure about other people, bro. This is third day. I'm gonna do it anyway. This is majorly for me also to kind of be consistent in DSA. And to your question, Biswajit, bro, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn for these questions, but I am not really sure, and also I'll not be doing answering in this live, right? This is mainly focused on how I can become guardian. That would means that focusing more on the problems and making my brain work more. It's the idea. And the idea is that I can help others also follow the same roadmap. Like I don't have an audience as of now, so there is no point of explaining. Still, I'm talking my thoughts, how this works, right? But if let's say there are 10, 15 people actively solving along with me, that was the idea. So then I'll be doing more handwriting kind of a thing, right? And we would be picking problems from this so that we don't know the algorithm and all of that it is based on, right? That makes it more fun. That's just like a contest. So yeah, 1320. So solved this. The next is to pick some problems from this range. Time needed to buy it. Seems interesting one. Let's do this easy. Design parking system. Count subject. This also. Parking I've already done, so let's skip that. Let's do these two. Two feels nice. Hmm. On the time part, I did create a live here and I got more polls. So this one, there were more results on this poll out of 80%. And also I prefer this time. This is better. Enough said. So given count of substring startings and ending with given character, count substring starting and giving with under character. Starting and ending with the same character, right? The character is a. Basically, I need to know everything within this would be one. Is it how many pairs can be? So one, two, one, two. Okay, so one, two, three, one, two, three. It is basically permutation. If you one, one, size of one, size of two, and size of three, right? So that is an n star n plus 1 by 4 by 2. Let's see. Let's see. It can't be this easy. Oh, damn it. Nice, man. It is this easy. These easy wins are good, but this will only last for this week. Things are gonna get in from next week. Cool. Okay. So add number of rugs. There would be a lot of comments on. Don't panic, it's a easy question. Comment on live. C to Cn, 2 power n. Which one, Lali Patak? I just solved it without C to C power n. Are you talking about this? I did not even start this, bro. The count this I solved. Is there a lag? Oh, my screen is stuck. No, right. No. Cool. Not sure what do you mean, but if you mean previous question, it's n star n plus 1 by 2. You can just go back to the stream. Uh, so if you go here, so that's it. You are saying it is a one-liner? I solved it this way. If you have any questions, I would be more than happy to explain. I just know that whenever you have three, it's a permutation, right? Number of ways of not permutation, yeah, kind of permutations. So that formula is n star n plus 1 by 2. That's why. Count star count plus 1 by 2. You just get number of times that character is coming and then just that. Simple. And how I came to this number is because I tested it for these two test cases. And it's possible also, right? 1 1 1. How many sizes of 1? 3. And then how many sizes of 2? 2. How many sizes of 1? 1. That's the idea. But still, if you want me to explain, I will be more than happy to explain because that's the idea of this. Even if there is one person, I'll explain. You are given a strictly increasing integer array ducks. It's strictly increasing. Binary search directly comes to the mind, but not sure if we'll apply it or not. You are currently on a floor of height 0. Okay. You want to reach that raster rung. It is a rung. I see, I get the problem. So you are at 0 and you want to climb to the last thing. 3, 5, 10, right? Now, can I reach this? Yes, I can reach this first distance. Can I reach this? Yes. Can I reach this? Yes. Now, can I reach 10? No. So it would make sense to reach the endest possible, right? So I can reach 7. Can I reach it? Answer is would be 2. Right? Can I reach this? Yes. 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 Can I reach? No. Can I reach? Yes. Can I reach? Yes. The easy question, but let's see if we can run it, right? At is equal to 0. Uh, For int I is equal to 0, I less than lungs dot length I plus plus. Okay. If at if rugs of I minus at greater than dist. So I don't need I. It might not be possible. Yeah, rugs of I is 10 raised to power 9. That is a 10 raised to power 5 only, right? But that is 10 raised to power 9. So if I do this way, I would be stuck in a loop for a long time. What I'm thinking here is, are you there? Let me see. Lalipata got it. Lalipata, if you're still watching, we can discuss this. So what I'm thinking here is that first I thought it is very easy because if this is the thing and then the distance is 1, so it will be stuck in a for loop because I would be doing this every time, right? But that won't work here. So basically we have to find the distance between these two. So this is not possible. So 1, 3, 5 and 10, right? So in this I have to do 5 to 10 operation in one go. I need to count how many it will take. So I'm already at 5 and I can take maximum 2 steps, right? So I'll just calculate the difference, right? So I am at 10 and at is 5, right? The distance is 5. Now how many jumps it will take to reach actual 5? Would be 5 by 2, 5 plus 1 by 2. Do I need one there? 5, 7, 7. Yeah, it would take 3 steps, but you need to add a rug there in between, right? So rug would be, if it is 4, let's say it was 9. So then I only need one rug. So that means it is 5 minus 2 minus 1, right? If it, let's say it is 3. Yeah, yes, I need one. Yes, I think that is the answer then. So for int I is equal to 0, I less than lux dot length I plus plus. Now if int far, how far it is, right? Rugs of I minus at, right? Now count will be far minus dist minus 1 by 2, right? Correct. At becomes rugs of I. Return count into count is. I'm not sure if this is correct, but we'll test it. It is not correct. You are at rug 5 and then distance is 10. Basically, you can make a, is that the max? Yeah, that's the max. So, hmm, this you, it is, How far it is? No, this should not be. This should sense only. How come it would do right? Do it in. Yeah. Basically, what happened? I need to not go to this. I need to go to the one where I have to pay. Right? I have to pay only till far minus dist. Right? Because that is my target. And how many moves it will take to reach that. So this is a standard algorithm, right? If you have to find an integer value, this is a standard algorithm. Like let's say if a is the difference and a plus k minus 1 by k. So basically, if it is 3 by 2, right? So you'll take 2 moves, but integer will give you 1. So you always do 3 plus 2 minus 1 by 2. So that basically is gonna give you the seal. Basically, you need a seal of this. Oh, but it was a nice. Yeah. Is this correct? Rugs I minus dist. Rugs I minus dist slash dist. Is this correct? No, rugs I you cannot do because you are already at some place, right? So you have to consider that also. So that would be 10 minus 2. That would take 4. But you are already at 5, right? So you have to place something in between this. So basically, one thing is very straightforward here. Do I have that? Yeah, so let me bring. One thing is very straightforward here that you have one. Let's go on to different screen. Damn it. How do I bring it to this screen? Maybe I need to do. Yeah. So you have 1, 3, 5, 10, right? You are starting from 0, right? So 1 you can reach for free. And here when you are at 5, right? So 5 till 7 you can, if 7 rug was there, you can reach for free, right? So I know that if somehow I reach till 8, right, I can reach this 10 for free. So I don't need to reach to 10. I only need to reach to 8, right? So that's the first optimization here, far minus dist, that you don't care about reaching till 10. Even if your distance is 5, you're saying that, okay, I somehow will reach 8. From 8, it is free of cost because already there is a rug here. So our plan will be to reach 8. Now to reach 8, the difference is 3, right? And that is then the standard formula, 3 plus k minus, like how many steps you need to reach 3. If you can take 2 steps at a point, right? You need 2 steps because first you will reach till 7 and you will have to still take 1 step of 8, right? That's the idea. Like I don't have any much audience, so that's why I don't have a iPad connected, but I will connect iPad once it is proper. Then I'll probably walk everyone through each of the problem. So that's why this writing is a bit messy. But that time I'll do that. But this is a nice problem. That's how you'll never see this problem in an interview. That's FYI. But this could be in a way online assessment. Because there is maybe in an interview also you might get this. Yeah, in interview it is possible. It's little bit of a math. So there would be a math tag to it. There is no math tag. Senior tag is there. Not sure what that. Uh, yeah, it's a easy question. That's true. Cool. So basically, we have solved till 3:30. We set it to this one, right? So we'll go to 6 the next time. We'll pick 1 or 2 problems from where. It's 8 p.m. So I'll end the stream. I'll say bye to whoever is watching. Yeah, thanks, brother. Take care. Bye bye. Thanks for joining.